Porsche 911 chassis has been available for over 10 years now, and most of them have outdated Xenon headlights. Porsche 911 owners who currently have Xenon headlights now have a plug-and-play solution with their matrix-style LED headlights at a fraction of the price of the OEM LED headlights. The OEM upgrade requires new headlights, rewiring, new modules, a new windshield, and coating, which can cost upwards of $10,000 for the complete conversion. These are developed as an ultimate plug-and-play upgrade solution to not only update the headlight aesthetics to the latest 992 matrix headlights, but also provide a huge improvement in visibility by 2.8 times when compared to the stock Xenon headlights. If you're interested in grabbing these headlights, click the link in the description for full before and after gallery for more information.